Meaning of decaffeinated.
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 Decaffeinated. Decaffeinated refers to a process of removing caffeine from coffee beans or tea leaves. This process can be done through various methods, including using solvents or steam. The end result is a product that has much less caffeine than its regular counterpart. Decaffeinated coffee and tea are popular choices for those who want to enjoy the taste without the stimulating effects of caffeine. However, it's important to note that decaffeinated products still contain small amounts of caffeine, so they may not be suitable for those who are highly sensitive or allergic to caffeine.